My name is Karnaveen. I am studying LKG. My school name is Raga Nursery and Primary School. ABJ Abdul Kalam was born on 15 October 1931 in Tamil Nadu. KBS Fabas.
கையை கட்டு.
He was famous as Dr. ABJ Abdul Kalam. His full name was Abdul Bagi Jerudabudi Abdul Kalam. He is also called President of India. He was an ABJ. He was an Indian aerospace scientist and politician. I became the 11th President of India. Thank you.